Hello kids, welcome to Cartoon Champ Kids. Today we will learn the position word on. On means on top. Let's see some examples. Sentences with on. The book is on the table. The cat is on the chair. The ball is on the floor. The hat is on the head. The cup is on the table. The bird is on the tree. The toy is on the bed. The bag is on the chair. The plate is on the table. The clock is on the wall. On means something is on top. Great job, kids. Now you know how to use on. Keep learning and keep smiling. Thank you. Bye bye, kids.